Hi everyone, my name is Sarvesh. In this video, I will be demonstrating a movie recommendation system with collaborative filtering. On the movie, on the dataset movie lens 100K dataset, the system implements three algorithms: user-based collaborative filtering, item-based collaborative filtering, and single value decomposition matrix factorization, and evaluates them using both ranking, rating prediction, and ranking metrics. This is the project overview. First of all, we are installing the SkyKit Surprise package to you. In this package only the collaborative filtering and SVD modules are present. That's why we installing it now. After that we imported the all required libraries. The, da- the dataset contains 1 lakh ratings from 943 users across 1682 movies. 100,000 ratings means 1 lakh ratings from 943 users on 1682 movies. Here in section 3, we perform the exploratory data analysis. You can see the analysis. The rating distribution is skewed positive with a 4. Is skewed positive with a 4. And the matrix is 93.7% sparse, which is the core challenge of for collaborative filtering. This is the 6 panel EDA chart: rating distribution, ratings for user, ratings for movie, and top 20 highest rated movies, which has minimum 50 ratings, and rating for volume over time. It's in the peak and it will gradually decreases. This is the heat map between user item matrix. Since the matrix is sparse, 93.7% sparse, it is very difficult to. These are the matrix sparsity analysis. There are 943 users, item 1682, and possible rating is 1 lakh 58 15 lakh 86,126, but actual ratings is 1 lakh only. 93.7% is sparsity present there, and density is only 6.30%. Even though we are trying to perform the collaborative filtering. Now we'll go through the splitting the data set, training and data set. One of the key methodology decision is the train test split. Instead of a random split, we are going through a temporal split for each user. Their most recent 20% of ratings are held out for testing. This prevents the data leakage and gives a realistic evaluation of how the system would perform in production. For every user, 20% of data is keep aside for testing. Now, the surface train set is 79,619 ratings for training and 20,381 for testing. This is the split we use by temporal split technique. Now, the model and results. We trained three models: user-based with collaborative filtering, find similar users using Pearson correlation for similarity, and we use the user-based true since it is user-based collaborative filtering, and the minimum support tree. It is at least three correlated items for similarity, and SVD, and it will, and we also implemented the item based collaborative filtering. Now we in this we used the cosine similarity, and user based is false since it is user item based. user base will be given as false, and it is also minimum support is 3, and the k value is nearest neighbors are selected as 40 and minimum k is equal to 1, and we are calculating the RMSE and MAE. These are the results we got on 0.0025 and MAE is 0.7. Normally it looks like very results are not good, like bad, but for the data set having 93.7 matrix, 93 user item matrix having the 93.7% sparsity, these results are very good. And finally, I'll go through the SVD also, single value decomposition, which is mainly focusing on single and personalized recommendations given by single value decomposition. Here in this section 8, this is the ranking matrix. These are the metrics we got from the three models. We got the user-based collaborative filtering precision at 0.5, nearly 55%, and recall is 70%. But for the data set like with 93.7% sparsity, it is these results are very good. Item based collaborative filtering is 54% and recall at 10 is 70%, and a single value decomposition at the rate is 54% precision and recall 69%, nearly 70%. uh, and when we come to section 8, the full comparison table is SVD achieves the best rating prediction accuracy with RMSE of 0.991, 0.991 and MAE is 0.7819. However, item based CF actually wins on ranking metric precision of at the rate of 10, 54.99 and recall at 0.7056. And now we finally go through the recommendation generation. These are the metrics model performance comparison between recall and it's in this lower is better and this is higher is better. But now we come to the top and recommendation function. Now let me show the recommendation function in the action. The function takes a user ID and as input, predicts the ratings for all movies that user hasn't seen. Return the top and sorted by predicted rating. However, for user one, the SVD model recommends these 10 movies. You can see the title, predicted rating, and genre. Let me also show it for working at a different user. Users 42 gets a completely different personalized list based on their own rating history. Braveheart, Wrong Trouser, Titanic, Brotherhood, Earth, Student, Still, Rock with a predicted rating. Finally, we address the core strategy. This is a PCA. Now, finally, we come with the cold start problem. What happens when a brand new user has no rating history? Our solution has two parts. First, we show globally popular recommended movies ranked using a Bayesian average score, which prevents low count movies from dominating. Second, we present a diverse set of onboarding seed movies across genres to quickly collect the user's preference. The full code analysis and documentation are available in the GitHub repository and linked in the README. Thank you for watching.